In my life, I've never been so down bad. Just dropped my phone. The subscriber count doesn't wanna move. When 9, 10, when I'm failing, the girls don't want me. I might as well get in this dress because I'm dressed. Nah, life is tough, guys. So look, it's wavy baby, yeah, sir. We out here in Jersey. Look, so in this series, trying to raise money, we're gonna raise 3,000 to fix this phone in 30 days. Hopefully, I hope so. So look, currently we are on minus 510 because I got a debit from Virgin Active, charging me 510. Life is tough, but this is probably the worst ever situation you can ever have in your life. Because now I have to use my phone through my laptop. Boy. I even have to remove my password because this is just stupid. Let me take off the password quickly. You know what? I can look at this situation and say it's okay because I feel like the man upstairs tests his greatest warriors. And this is just one of his tests. And I can either go down or push my way up. But all the baddies were in this cell phone. So now, oh man, yeah, I hope you didn't see my phone. But look, all the baddies were in this cell phone. Excuse me for just making a flashy situation into a funny one, but like, all the baddies were in this cell phone. How many? I really had to go and get this money because this is ridiculous. And I have to promote this video. Oh man, it's not looking good, bro. And you know the worst part of all this, when I go on Social Blade, 1, the subscriber count isn't moving. 2, this thing is saying we're making money, but we didn't even. I've never made money on YouTube, but what is this thing saying? Now this thing's tripping. Yo, the situation is so tense right now because I have to put my password in, but I can't see anything. Wish me luck, guys. Okay. Let's try this again. Because the situation is so tense. Because I have to remove the password so that I can just swipe up before it's too late. It's not looking good, bruv. But anyways, let's try search up how to make money, my nigga. How to make yeah. Yo, they gave me a window. I have to remove the password quickly. Dango. Yo. Turn passcode off. Turn it off. We got it. GT. But anyways, now the serious work comes in. We have to find a way to make money. Cause it's late. You are mad if you think I'm gonna tell my parents I dropped my phone. Nah. I have to make this money one man, boy. To raise 3K in 30 days. Oh man. It's not looking good, bruv. If you didn't know, now you know, but I'm quite clever. Like, I'll be boy. Anyways, if you didn't know, now you know I'm quite clever. So, I know one way to make money is to leverage your transferable skills. And If you didn't know, now you know. But programming, editing, anything computer-wise, I'm very good at. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna leverage my IT skills and make money off it. So yeah, it's good. Second way to make money, I'm gonna try monetize this channel. We have to monetize because this is getting ridiculous. Alright, so we just got to Cape Town and a lot of work has been done since we've talked. I sent my phone in for repairs. Now, a normal human being, a rational human being, would go and use these funds to go and collect his phone. But I'm far from that.
I'm addicted to finesse.
So there's a listing of Nike Dunk Pandas, right? Now the resale value of Nike Dunks is very high. So the retail price is 2,000 Rand and you can sell them for about 4,000, somewhere there. But basically, it's basic economics, supply and demand. To use this bread to get the pandas, it's late. We are winning. So look, wish me luck. It's currently like 2 a.m., maybe 4, somewhere there. You know what? It's somewhere there. It's either we get the dunks or we don't. There's 12 units in store. Let's get it, bruh. Zoom into the... You know, I ain't trying to get robbed, bruh.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone.
So I left the house at 2 a.m. and got to archive, and to my surprise, there was 20 goons from Grassy Park ahead of me.
Look at my lips, you're ruining it. Ruining the fun for the next man.
And at this point, I'm sure you already know what happened.
Bumble.
So I wait in line until archive opens, and it's just a cycle, man. When you're back here editing videos, like, I don't know what this thing is, but I can't catch a dub right now. And it's just tough. I mean, at this point, we might as well end the video. I feel like I need some time for introspection. And like, literally, I feel like everybody wants to know what I do when I lose. I guess we'll never know! I guess we'll never know! I guess we'll never there we go!
Hey, I'm a gorilla in a fucking scoop. Finna pull up to the zoo, nigga. So, nigga, who the fuck is you? I don't know, nigga.
Hey, yes sir.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Woo! I'm a businessman, not a businessman! Woo! I handle my own business, man. Let's go! Yes, sir! We finally got to cop the donkey dunks, baby! Bought them to okay, we're gonna sell them for somewhere there. My boy Nova's pulling up. And yeah, man. I'll see you guys on Friday. Let's see if we hit that link, baby! Yes, sir! Lesson 1. 0 to hero. In order to make money, you've got to spend money. Sensational. I'm dropping knowledge for free. Subscribe. Oh, and hey, I'm on the road to 1K. Bang is on the way. See you Friday.